give inspiration to the styles we choose for exploration. Come as you are, express yourself any way you choose. Come as you are, and there's no way that you can lose. Now the 90s are upon us with the styles of their own. Retro from the older times, hip-hop and the grunge. So it seems that as we inch towards year 2000, it's up to us to take the stage as individuals. Yeah! Hey! It's time for our new generation to express ourselves through celebration.
C's crazy.
D's in the dumps.
E is electric.
F is flat.
G, a gorilla.
H has a hat.
I for eye.
J's got juice.
K's in the kitchen.
And L's got loose.
M stands for many.
N for a nickel.
O is open.
P picks a pickle. Q is the question.
R is the rest.
S starts sleeping.
T takes the test. U says uncle.
V wears a vest.
W is the letter we use to point west. X plays a telephone. Y could be you.
Z zips zippers
and now we're through. Writers get together and use your letters. Alphabet play 8 letters are way great.
There you have our ABCs.
Next time won't you sing with me? I like backbone.
Oh, that this too solid flesh would melt, thaw, and resolve itself into a dew.
This bites. If I was any more bored, I'd be dead.
What are you talking about? Without us, there'd be no play. We're the few, the proud, the spear carriers.
Give me a break. No one even knows we're here. Might as well be that wall over there.
Have some pride, man. Live your part. Make it your own.
Okay.
Shakespeare as it was meant to be.
Cool stuff? Check out theslap.com.
It's hard to find actors with faces that look really fantastic when you blow them up that big, but thanks to genetics or luck or whatever, I happen to have a face that just, works. I work it. That's what I do.
Sometimes I do it to myself.
That's a wrap.
Hey, you there! You want to see us do stuff you can't see anywhere else? Do ya? I think they do. Then go online to iCarly.com. Yeah, go to iCarly.com. Use your computer. It's the best way to get there. Once you get to iCarly.com, you can see me and Carly, and Freddie and Spencer, and our other friends do all kinds of wacky, fun stuff. You know you like wacky, fun stuff. So go online to iCarly.com and see stuff you can't see anywhere else. Only at iCarly.com. So go there. Do it. Seriously. Bye.